Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by anchoring the dread. Use a 0, 6, 0, 75 mm crochet hook and clip surrounding hair away. Insert the hook near the base, catch only loose hairs and pull them through the core to tighten. This prevents large loops. Once done, rotate the dread so you work evenly around the circumference. Make sure to keep tension moderate, tight enough to bind, but not so tight you create a rigid bump. Work in short 1/4 to 1/2 inch passes for control. You continue down the shaft by interlocking loose fibers into the core. Insert the hook, grab small bundles, and pull them through from several angles. 2 to 3 pulls at each spot create stable structure. Once done, compress the dread with your fingers to keep the core aligned and avoid creating thin, weak points. Make sure to alternate pull directions so the dread forms naturally rather than developing a spiraled memory. Keep checking overall shape and smoothness as you go. You finish by tidying the tip and shaping the dread. Use small controlled pulls to take in remaining flyaways and trim any truly stubborn ends. Once done, roll the dread between your palms to compact and form a uniform cylinder. Apply a tiny amount of wax only if needed for hold. Make sure to inspect for weak spots. If the hook snags or the core feels thin, stop and gently loosen that area with wider pulls before reworking. This prevents breakage and preserves length.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.